So hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to teach you about super keyword in Java. So let's get started. So currently I have a empty class and empty main function. So we need to declare two classes. So let A be the one class. Okay. And I'm going to use the concept of super class and subclass, that is inheritance over here. So it's going to be class B. So in order to create a subclass, we need to extend it. Extends, that's the keyword. Extends A. Okay. So it's a basic inheritance concept extend. So A is the superclass and B is the subclass. Inheritance all the properties of it. So now I will just create a function. Okay. Void, let it be hi will be the function. I will just print something. System dot out dot print. So just print class A. Okay. And I will copy this entire thing. Okay. I will copy this entire thing and I will class B. Okay. So both the classes have the same function name. Suppose if I create an object and call this function. Okay. B is the class name. So B obj equal to new B. Okay. I'm creating an object. And next thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this function. So it's obj dot the method or function name hi. Okay. So now if I run this code, okay, I'm calling hi. Okay. But which hi you will know it soon. Okay. So now if I run it, whether it's class A or class B, class B will be printed. Okay. But using this object, we can even access the methods of class A. But in this case, hi is only we can access it only hi. Suppose if I change its name to h, okay, I will change its name to h, void h, and even if I change this to h, you will get class A as the output. Yes, we have got class A as the output. But the problem is here is that both the functions have the same name and belong to different classes. So how to access this? So super class comes in handy over here. Super keyword comes in handy over here. Just you're going to go here and you're going to type super dot hi. Okay. Using a simple line of code, you can't use only hi over here. This basically super refers to the function name in the main class A, main class of super class A. So now if I run this code, just run it. As you can see, I'm getting class A and class B. This is because I'm calling obj at hi, and this goes and calls this function over here, function present in the class B, and then the first super function gets called, super dot function. This function is getting called, and it goes here. It prints class A. This execution is completed, and next it prints class B. So that's why we are getting class A, class B. So here you can ask me, you can directly print hi, okay? Some may ask question, you can directly print only hi, okay? And literally that would cause you an error. Okay, you can't do that over here. You can't directly access some function present in some other class even though you're inheriting. So that causes an error over here. So this is the first purpose actually for super by using method or function. Next thing I'm going to tell you about variable. Okay, so it's also nearly same to a function method. We are using the same function name in both the classes, and for variables it's basically the same variable name as for a super class. So just delete the function, keep the class as same thing, same inherited class A class B, and here I'm declaring a variable int bar var be the variable, va be the variable. Okay, va equal to 10 I'm printing, and inside class B I'm printing int va equal to 20, and next I'm just displaying the values. Just displaying the values. I'm just going to print them. System dot out dot print. I'll just print va. Okay, so now you just need to call the function. Okay, create the object, just call the function display. So that's it. So now, even though I can access the variable va present in class A, I can't get the value by using this piece of code. So this va corresponds to the integer va present in class B. Okay, so now if I run this code, I will get the output as 20. Okay, so how to access the value of VA of class A or the super class. So here also the problem is solved by using our very own super keyword. So same thing, same concept as in case of function system dot out dot print ln. So with a new line print ln and super dot va. So this super keyword can be used only when class B is a subclass of class A or it has inherited. So both the same. So only that time it can be used. You can't just remove this one. Okay, you can't just remove. Wait, I'll run this and show you first. So now you will be getting the output 10 and 10 and 20. So as you can see here we got 10, 20. That's good. So now if I remove this, I'm removing this one inheritance. Okay, and now if I run this code, so as you can see here, we'll get a compilation error. So only thing is that it has to inherit. So that's the another main thing. You don't forget that. So that's it. So in case of constructor also super class is used, but I don't think so that is necessary because super constructors can be. This is the same thing that we are going to do there also. But I think constructors can work properly without super keyword. I think super won't be to have a much impact on that. So that's it. Thanks for watching and also check other programming stuff personally on my channel. I've also done 3-4 videos in Java. So check that also. Check you have done in Blender, Unity, etc. So thanks for watching.